Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to extract a zip file in Google Drive. There is a simple way to do this, so let's get started. So this is I have opened my drive. So this is a zip file which we want to extract. So I will click on open with the zip extractor. It might take a moment to load. So yeah, this is the interface. So we need to log in first. So I will click on authorize zip extractor to log in with the Gmail. Okay, so I will log in it. It will take some time to log in. Yeah, so here's the processing start. The zip file is extracting. Okay, so I will extract to drive, and this is how it's processing. I think our zip file is extracting. Okay, it's now, I think it's extracted. So I will click on extract. Yeah, so this is our zip extracted zip file. But now I want to see in my home, so I will click on home page to see the folder which I have extracted. So I will go to folders. Yeah, so D images, this is the folder which I have extracted. So yeah, you can see that our folder is extracted. This is our files. And yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.